So I had a problem with the security, brother. And I don't tell them already, so I need some man on the ground different from the police them. I'll go on with that now.
Yeah, you're in the position to take on the security. And we don't want any problem with the police. So we have to do some other things.
Which other things?
The club we don't have upstairs though.
Yeah.
That we want to run off.
Well, I never know someone really involved in them thing there. I really security more still, you know what I mean?
You can pay for security. But you're going to need somebody who know the people them coming to the place.
And our ground. So we can deal with the right kind of promotion, you hear that?
Well, the truth is, we don't have nobody for run the club yet still, you know. So, maybe I have something to think about, you know.
Yeah, enough people now want to come to side to own the locate. You see me? But we don't forget the people them coming to the club.
And when you kick it off, brother, you want to start with like some private party. Nothing too loud up, you hear that?
The way they make exclusive and make people want to come.
Loan top shelf liquor. Or just get some top people for roll through, you hear that?
Yo, it makes sense. Never know selling in the promotional business, man, so I'm a promoter.
What I mean, brother? Our place, you know, enough party we keep running, man.
Ground lively, fully active.
Alright, here we are. Just give me an idea if I think about it. I'm gonna put it to the top, man, and get back to him. You know what I mean? Only think about that.
That can work. What you say, Vicious?
That I pray, man.
Alright, if that or that, we'll link up on next time and we're gonna know where you're going then. You know what I mean?
Yeah, or that or that. But yeah, when you see when you sign off, you have to go all a different reason.
Yeah, man, over fully.
Movements, you know.
Hold on. We have a drink, brother. Half a rush now, man. We have a drink. Pass it, man.
I'm making no excuses. I know where I belong. Down in the jungle, down I crawl. I'm on top of the food chain, watching you fall. Watching you fall.
So yes, sir.
Yeah, brother. Better we take on something more business like. Or the security thing and now go work, you hear that?
Yeah, man, I work with the butcher, say, brother. That make no sense to be at a percent. Side.
Yeah, it maker. If we deal with this the right way, still in a brother. Can turn it the biggest promoter them boy, you know. Can ram up the place, you know, my friend.
Full time we start look for some bigger business venture, to brother. Start branch off in some different things. You see it?
Which is right. Because if you kick this off the right way, you know, brother. You can have a piece of food to sit down on that's when butcher forward back on the road. You hear that, cuz?
Like I made the youth. You see me? But here, I do whispering. I remember we have to keep butcher in our milk. You see it? Go forward.